How to ignore formula not calculate if cell is blank in Excel. In this video you will learn in detail, so please watch this video till end, and if you are watching the video for the first time then please subscribe our channel and let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. So let's start. In the first example I have fruits, buy and sell, and few of the cells are blank. So now we are going to make a formula and we'll identify whether it is a blank or not. So there is a function called isBlank, so I can use that function isBlank and select the cell and close the bracket, and you can easily identify what are the cells are blank. And if you want to calculate the profit, which is sales minus buy, this is just an example, so sometimes you will get an error because or some wrong information because you have no cell. So in that case I'm going to make a formula isBlank along with your if function. If isBlank, then blank, don't get the calculation, otherwise sale minus buy, and close the bracket. So now I can see here it is calculated only in the cells which is having the cell value. Now there is another alternative way, which is a simple way, equal to C equal to no space. So now here also we get the same result. So here also you can use your if function, equal to if C2 equal to no space, not blank, then blank, otherwise C2 minus B2. Either you can type manually or you can select the cell and calculate the formula. So here if C2 is equal to blank, then if C2, sorry, it is C4, now we calculate here C4 minus B4. Now you can see here it is calculated perfectly. So now next, how to ignore formula if cell is blank in Excel with example 2. So here I have already calculated using the OR function. It means when in your situations you have more than one criteria, you can use similarly OR function. If you want to know more about the if and or, you can check the video link in the description below. OR function will calculate if either or is blank, then it will give the output. Similarly you can use OR with isBlank as well, and here you can calculate the profit. I am splitting the formula so that it will be easy for your understanding. In the next example, how to not calculate if cell is blank in Excel. Suppose I am going to calculate the profit percentage. In some cases what will happen, if I divide, sometimes you have zero numbers here or here. In this case what happened, in the cell I have the formula, so in all the cells I have formula, so need to double check whether the is blank and this if not equal to blank is calculating or not. Now you can see here I'm getting some division error, value error. So here to avoid such instances I can use if error function and go to the end, comma, either you can give 0 or blank, then close the bracket and plug the formula. So here this is a 0 number, so it is not calculating. So here also you can find if function also and your isBlank function also working perfectly. You can see here these cells are blank. So here I have used same OR function, and if you want to calculate with isBlank, then you have to make it equal to true, then only it will work. If you give equal to blank, then it will not work. You have to give equal to true. So this is all about how to calculate or not calculate if cell is blank in Excel, then how to avoid such instances or errors by using the if error function in Excel. If you want to learn more, then you can find lot of formulas and functions links in the description below. Please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please like and share. Thanks for watching.